Hi guys, so today we're going to be making this flower granny square. I'm actually making a couple of them because I'm going to use it for a top after. So I'm using 3 colors, size 4, this feels like butter yarn, and 5mm hook. So we'll start with a magic ring, and then we'll chain 1, 2, 3, and then we'll do a double crochet, 1. So we have 1 of these, and then we'll have 11 more double crochets to make 12 altogether. Pull your ring tight. So normally you would do your double crochet like this, but if you want to do change color, instead of pulling all the way through, just grab your next color and then we'll pull that through, and we want to slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain. That counts as our first double crochet. We will cut this other one off, and I like to tie these ends together. You don't have to, I just feel it makes it more secure. Now for the petals, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna do triple crochet or treble crochet, but not completely. So we'll go over twice into this first space here, pull through again, leave these two loops on, loop over again. So you got 2 more loops here, go into the same space, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through all 3. So that's gonna be your first petal there. And then we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this time we're gonna do 3 of these crochets here. Triple crochets in this one. So we'll do 1, 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, back into the same space, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now you'll have 3 loops on, so yarn over twice more, back into that same space, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through all 4 loops. Then chain 3, and then you're going to do that in each space around. You should have 12 petals at the end of this. So I'm on the last one in here. I just want to double check that I have 12, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this will be my 12th. 2, 3. We're gonna slip stitch into the top of where we connected these petals. So it'll be the biggest one here, so not the chain 3, but the where you attach the triple crochets. We'll slip stitch that and then cut it off, pull through, make sure it's tight. So I'm gonna create a slip knot. I wanna attach it through here, so I'm gonna hold it and I guess do a single crochet into that space. Can tie these two together. Again, you don't have to tie together, you can weave in the ends after. I just like feeling more secure with it like that. So I have my single crochet here, then I'm gonna chain 2 and I'm gonna do 2 more double crochets this time. Then we're just gonna go right into the next space with 3 more double crochets. Don't chain in between, that's for when we get to our corner. So there's 3 double crochets. Do 3 more in this one. And this one right here is gonna be our corner. So we'll do 3 more double crochets in here. So for our corner, I like to just chain 1 in between. And so I've done my chain 1, now I'm gonna double crochet 3 more times back into the same space. And then we'll do 2 more spaces with the 3 double crochet clusters. So I've done 2. Now this is going to be the next corner here, so we'll do the same thing, do our 3, chain 1, and then 3 more in the same space. And we'll do that till we get all the way around. And then back to this one. This is gonna be our last corner here. So do your 3 double crochets in this space. And then you're gonna wanna chain 1 because it's the corner, and then do a slip stitch in the top of the chain 3. That counts as your first double crochet. So this is what we have so far. I like to do 2 rows, it just makes the square look cleaner. You can do more if you want, I'm just sticking with 2. So for this round, we'll chain 3 again. Then we'll do 2 double crochets into this space. And then we'll do 3 double crochets in here. Three in here. So this round we have 3 in our sides. Before we just had 2, and then our corner, so this time we have 3, and then we'll do our corner, then we'll do 3, and then our corner, 3, corner, and then we'll do the same attached when we get back to the end. It's just my corner. Last corner here. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, slip stitch into the top of this chain 3. We'll cut off our yarn here, pull through, pull tight, then you can just kind of shape it to your square there. And yeah, that's what this pattern was. You can go around and tuck in all your ends. I usually save them for when I'm at the very end of my project and I have everything sewn together, so I just already know which one's the front and the back. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like or hit subscribe if you're new here, and thanks for joining me today.